Next up, evacuation question for Artisan. In this, we need to locate official orders from Fort Narith and report back to Artisan. It's relatively simple. You'll need to arm up pretty heavily and head all the way across to Fort Narith on the far southwest side of the map. Zooming in on the southernmost barracks here, in the top right of 131-141, you'll find what you're looking for. So finding your way all the way to this rough location over here, you'll need to head across to the southern entrance. So this door over here, not this one, but this southern door, will be opening it up. And just inside of here, you'll find A112, the first door on your right. Opening this one here, you should find that just inside on the table at the back here, there are evacuation orders waiting for you right over here. Once you've picked up the letter, simply head back home, hand it in, and bam, there you go, you're done with evacuation question. A super simple go and fetch mission. It's just very difficult to fight your way in here. Once again, room 112 on the far southern side of this middle barracks, all the way over here. So, anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.